Public reaction to the reported killing of KUTYA Western Saruwaka has exposed more than grief. It has revealed fear, suspicion, moral anguish, and a growing belief among ordinary citizens that political violence is being used deliberately as a tool of intimidation. Sarabina mashkobdani kwachensi fear, faith, and suspicion as the Zimbabweans react to Saruwaka's death. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina panguva ino panawo yekufa kwaSaruwaka kuri kuonekwa kunzi vanhu vari kuona kuti the assassination yaSaruwaka it may be a planned way yekuya pangona chisafiya mumamourners wangada kuchema Blessed Geza. Vanoenda mberi achiti in comments responding to ZVAITWA's coverage, many Zimbabweans did not simply mourn, they questioned motive, method, and consequence. One leader asked bluntly, does political assassinations solve problems? Does the killers have peace? Whoever carries these horrors pay the price. The same comment drew a biblical parallel suggesting guilt and moral collapse rather than victory. Judas tried to return the money, but the other part said, no, Ketile, no peace for the killer's life is a mystery. Others expressed fear and hopeless, turning to the face rather than institutions. One comment read, God, please protect your people from the devil's hands. Another voice suggested the killing was not random, but part of a wide effort to erase evidence, to clear the evidence of all what was happening behind the scenes. That suspicion echoes a wider concern now circulating among activists that Saruwaka's death may have been intended to silence, frighten, or disrupt political momentum following the death of Blessed Bombshell Geza. These are not the reactions of a society confident in its justice system. They are the reactions of a population that suspects violence is strategic, not accidental. Notably, several comments questioned whether Saruwaka was shot, found dead, or killed under unclear circumstances, a sign that basic facts are still absent from the public domain. That absence has deepened anxiety and speculation. What emerges from these comments is a collective psychological picture: fear replacing certainty, faith replacing trust in law enforcement, and suspicion replacing official narratives. In such an environment, even silence becomes political. Ndo mashwari popangwa ine Zimbabwe. Tudze mafunguro emoti kudi pamusoro pe this case. In the comment section, subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.